Today is on Friday. Here's my feet of the day. Nini. What is? Ui. I'll be hosting in a few days, so I need to clean my duvet, everything actually, technically. Because next week I'll be hosting my dresses are too heavy. The dresses are too heavy. Too heavy. Oh, Papa. Okay, I have a lot of clothes. Yet I still wear the same clothes over and over and over and over again. All these are for laundry. So I'm running in the machine. So let's first of all take care of this. Their clothes I've really held on to, yet I never wear them. And I know I'll never wear them. I need to let them go, honestly, because I have a lot of clothes. Mare, comadre. Mare, comadre. Mare, comadre. Mare, comadre. These are some of the clothes. I still have some cleaning. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me cook, let me cook, let me cook. More clothes over here. But some are my sister's, but most of them are mine. And I still have some running in the machine. I'm here to fold this. Jeez. And yet, when you're supposed to go somewhere, I'll still say, I do not have clothes to wear. What am I going to wear? Anyway, let me fold this. Then I'll show you the aftermath. Because if I do all of this with you, it's going to take forever. Plus, I still have to keep running my laundry. So, yep. I'll see you afterwards. Let me charge my phone. Leo nimekumbuka kuvaa kuanika na pegs. I still have my duvet. Lakini nimekata kamba zote. I hope I remember because I want to go to Mukula. I hope I remember to get ropes, hanging ropes. These are the shorts, the gym wears, everything that I wear at home. And these are the trousers. I still have a lot of them on the hanging line. And the dresses. I have some sweaters over here. Then I have t-shirts over here. These are some of my jumpsuits. And the longer coats. I just want to hang some of the dresses. And I still need to hang some of the dresses and the jackets. Today is on Wednesday and this is the office of the day. Yeah. My mob imekatika. For now, let's improvise. Hi loves, today is on Friday and I'm actually stepping out. I'm going to the shags or the rural areas. And here's my fit of the day. Just simple, because first of all, I want to pass by the salon and have my hair braided, some wig lines. If they're not busy, it's already too late. It's around 11, almost noon. So I don't even know if I'm going to make it on time. But yep, let's go. But first of all, I think I'm going to end this video here because I want to upload it. I don't even know if I have time. This video should go up today on Friday at 3 p.m. and it's already almost noon, and I'm supposed to go by the salon. Anyway, let me end this here. Thank you very much for loving me. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for your support, for your comments, for everything. I do not take it for granted. So yeah, here's my feet. I'll just bring this sweater with me, and this is the bag of choice, or the bag of the day. It has my feet for like 3 days, plus the scent of the day is Yara. So bye.